We're here on a 2-day retreat with GIZ as a partner to build the strategic pillars for the network for the next 5 to 7 years.
I'm here as a facilitator on behalf of GIZ to help the Ghana Hub Network Executive Committee or Executive Team with their strategy session.
My expectation was that it shouldn't be a talk shop. It should generate and bring out something that is doable, that is reflective of action.
I am very much excited about the meeting because it gave me the opportunity to network with fellow board members. We were also all able to do some co-creation, and that enabled us to clarify certain things about the network when it comes to our vision, when it comes to strategies and various ways that we can actually adopt in implementation. And this has been very, very great for me.
Generally, I've been very impressed with the way the workshop has turned out. More importantly, about the value of the growth pillars around gender issues, around data, how we can make use of data to engage policymakers, how we can make use of data for programming decisions, and more importantly, how we can make use of data at the board level to sort of engage our members more appropriately, and how we can even develop a pipeline for gathering data from our members and using that for decision making.
We have been able to put together a document that can be shared with partners, can be shared with members. So for me, my expectation has been met to a very large extent.
The workshop exceeded my expectations because the team worked together. So I would say individual directors were able to kind of develop their own strategic pillars for their departments. We were able to map out our individual vision for the network for the next 5 to 7 years, but somehow worked all that into one vision. So it really exceeded my expectations.
And I think the clarity around the vision was also really good because, I mean, they were all very competent people and they know what they're doing, but coming together and sort of charting a common path was very reassuring because what it means is that they are more motivated to work together for the benefit of their core stakeholders and also their secondary stakeholders. Overall, it was a really good session and we're looking forward to seeing the outcomes.
Most of the models that were used in facilitation are some vital aspects that I am actually taking back to my hub. For instance, being able to assess the personal strengths and weaknesses of the team, and then also getting the vision of the hub very clear, where you allow each member of the team to come up with their own strategies, where you can discuss and see how you can come together as a team to be able to implement them. This really was an eye-opener.
I will use this opportunity to thank the GIZ Make IT for making this possible, providing the funding and support for such engagement on a strategy for our network for the next 5 years, and to also my colleague members of the board who made it possible traveling across the country and coming to Accra to make this session possible.